going to learn chapter 10 verbs. So let's open your book and begin with me. Okay class, today's topic is verbs. Chapter 10 verbs. Before moving to the definition of verbs, look at these following sentences. I do all my work on time. Rahul is a sincere boy. Tarun has a beautiful mansion. So in these three following sentences, some words are underlined. So these underlined words are known as verbs. Now we come to the what is verb. A verb is a word that tells us what a person or thing does, is or has. Now children, what is the meaning of this exactly? In the previous classes we have studied about the action words are called verbs. Right? The action words, doing words, these are called verbs. But now you have come in class 4th, so we'll change a little bit what is verb exactly. Of course, action words are verbs, right? A verb is a word that tells us what a person thing does. Does means any action. What a person or thing does means what a person or thing do. Any action, right? What a person or thing does any action, what people do, what things do, what animals do. So these are called action words. Now what is the meaning of is? Is meaning means what is the state, what is the being. Being means hona. By looking at this example, I do all my work on time. I do means any action, right? I do means मैं काम करता हूँ, मैं अपना सारा काम टाइम पे करता हूँ. Do here, right? Do is action. Next, Rahul is a sincere boy. Now, is meaning means being. Being means state. Like being means होना. क्या है? राहुल कैसा है? होना means कैसा है? Rahul is a sincere boy. राहुल का होना कैसा है? Sincere boy. राहुल कैसा है? Sincere. Rahul is. Rahul कैसा है? Being. Being means होना. So Rahul is a sincere boy, right? And what is the meaning of has? Has means possession of something. We have already done possessive noun, right? Possessive means ownership. Same here. Has means belongingness. Something. We are the ownership of something, right? Tarun has a beautiful mansion. So has means belonging, possession. तरुण की पोजीशन है किस चीज पे? ब्यूटीफुल मेंशन पे, राइट? इट मीन्स तरुण ऑनर है किसका? ब्यूटीफुल मेंशन का. सो हैज मीन्स पोजीशन ऑफ समथिंग, किसी चीज का होना. तो यहाँ पर तरुण के पास क्या है? हैज मीन्स होना, किसी चीज का होना. सो तरुण हैज अ ब्यूटीफुल मेंशन. मेंशन मीन्स अ ब्यूटीफुल हाउस बिल्डिंग, राइट? हाउस. मेंशन इज हाउस. सो तरुण हैज अ ब्यूटीफुल मेंशन. हैज मीन्स किसी चीज का होना. So again we come to the definition verbs. A verb is a word that tells us what a person or thing does, is or has. Clear? कि what a person, verb हमें क्या बताता है कि person क्या करता है, क्या है और उसकी क्या possession, उसके पास क्या है. Has means होना. Clear? Okay. Now we come to the different categories of verbs, right? Just now we have studied about the verbs, right? That verbs have been categorized in 3. So first is verbs that show action. So verbs describe what something or somebody doing. So what is the function of verb? That it shows what somebody or something is doing. क्या कर रहे हैं वो? Example, the girl did well in the exams. So here the girl did action. What is the action? She did well. उसने अच्छा किया. So the girl did well in the exam. So here it is action. Now we come to the verbs that show state of being. Just now we have studied that state of being. State of being means किसी चीज का होना. Okay, how is the subject is, how is the noun is, how is somebody or something is. Verbs tell us what the person or thing is, कि वो person और चीज कैसी है. एग्जाम्पल, पूर्वी वॉज अ सेल्फलेस गर्ल. तो यहाँ पर पूर्वी कैसी है, पूर्वी वॉज कैसी थी. हेयर वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट पास्ट. सो पूर्वी वॉज अ सेल्फलेस गर्ल. पूर्वी कैसी गर्ल थी, उसकी स्टेट बता रहे हैं, उसकी बीइंग सेल्फलेस गर्ल. सो पूर्वी वॉज अ सेल्फलेस गर्ल. Is verbs that show ownership, right? The verbs which tell us what a person, animal or thing has. Means the verbs which show possession. Possession means कि हम उस that things belong to us, कि वो चीज़ मेरे से belong करती है, मैं उसका owner हूँ, right? I have the rights of that thing, कि मेरे पास उसके rights हैं उस चीज़ के, कि वो चीज़ मेरी है. Simple words, that thing is mine. वो चीज़ मेरी है. Example, she has a red car. So here has is a verb. Has means कि वो red car, उसके पास red car है, right? So she is the owner of red car. उसके पास है, किसी चीज़ का होना. Verb also shows किसी चीज़ का होना. So she has a red car. Now we come to the again. There are two types of verbs. Now we will discuss about that. Kinds of verbs, right? That was the function of verbs. Same here, the kinds of verbs. Now we will talk about how many types of verbs are there and how many kinds of verbs are there. There are two kinds of verbs. First is main verb and second is helping verb, right? So what is the function of main verb and what is the main verb? Now, main verb, a verb that makes a sentence complete and meaningful is called main verb, right? So means a verb which makes a sentence complete and it gives a meaning to a sentence, right? It gives a meaning to a sentence is called main verb. It may be doing, being or having. So it can be a being, doing or having, right? Being means it can be doing first, right? It can be action word. Second thing is being means state, right? Verb can show the state even. Having, it can also show the possession, right? So main verb can show even the action, even the state of being or even the possession, right? Now example, you sing very sweetly. So here what is verb first? Sing. So what is sing is the main verb. Here it is doing, you sing very sweetly. आप बहुत sweetly sing करते हैं, right? गाते हैं. So you sing very sweetly. So here sing is the main verb. Now come to the helping verb. Helping verb, a being or having verb that comes before a doing verb to complete a sentence and helps the main verb is called helping verb. Children, what does it mean exactly? It means the verbs which help the main verb. Main verb, what are the main verb? Basically main verbs are action words. Action means like playing, cooking, dancing, sleeping, right? So when the being or having verb, what is the meaning of being or having verb? Being or having verb means like state or something. Okay, in short I will explain you, like is, am, are, was, were, has, have. When we use these verbs with the main verb like singing, dancing, playing. So when these is, am, are, was, were, has, have used with the main verb are known as, these verbs are known as helping verbs, right? Simple, the verbs which help the main verb is called helping verbs, right? And what are the verbs which help the main verbs? Being or having verbs. कौन कौन से verbs होते हैं? Being और having verbs होते हैं जो main verb की help करते हैं. और being और having verb कौन से हो गए? Is, am, are, was, were, has, have, will, shall, right? Will, shall, will be, right? So these verbs which help the main verbs are known as helping verb, right? By the name itself you can see कि जो help करते हैं main verb के उनको बोलते हैं helping verbs, right? So let's do recap. How many types of verbs are there? 2 types: main verb, helping verb. Main verbs are basically doing words, right? It can be doing words, being words, and having verbs, right? And the helping verbs, which being or having verbs which help the main verb. Being or having verbs जो main verb की help करते हैं, that is known as helping verbs, right? Children, sometimes these being or having verbs, sometimes these verbs becomes the main verb also. First, look at this example. Mother is cooking food. So here, is a helping verb and cooking is a main verb, right? Helping and main verb, right? Cooking is what? Action. Simple. Mother cooks food. यहाँ पर मेन वर्ब हो गया सिंपल, नो हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज यूज्ड, मदर कुक्स फूड. बट हेयर मदर इज कुकिंग फूड, सो यहाँ पर हेल्पिंग वर्ब मेन वर्ब की हेल्प कर रहा है, राइट? सो दिस इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब. इज क्या है? मेन वर्ब के साथ अटैच एंड इट इज हेल्पिंग, फॉलो हो रहा है इज मेन वर्ब के साथ, और ये क्या हो जाएगा हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब. सो मदर इज कुकिंग फूड, तो इज एम आर इज हमारे हेल्पिंग वर्ब हो गए जो मेन वर्ब की हेल्प करते हैं. सी These verbs help main verbs to make a complete sentence. ये verbs क्या करते हैं? Helping verb main verb में एक complete sentence बनाने के लिए. Apart from it, let's take more example. Children, like is, am, are, has, have, right? So these are helping verbs, right? These are helping verbs, but they can act as a main verb also. जो हमने already main verb में पढ़ा था कि being verbs भी main verbs हो सकते हैं, right? For example, we have studied Riya is a good girl. Riya क्या है? Riya एक good girl है. So यहाँ पर हमारा कोई main verb है? No. Is there? Is there हमारा? So is क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे हमारा? इज हमारा यहाँ पर मेन वर्ब का वर्ब कर रहा है, एक्ट एज अ मेन वर्ब. सो इज हमारा यहाँ पर क्या कर रहा है? एक्ट एज अ मेन वर्ब. बट अगेन अगर हम बोले रिया इज कुकिंग फूड, रिया इज प्लेइंग, राइट? तो इज हमारा क्या हो जाएगा? वहाँ पर हमारा हेल्पिंग वर्ब बन जाएगा. आई थिंक दिस पॉइंट इज क्लियर टू यू, राइट? सो बेसिकली 2 verbs are there, main verbs and helping verbs, and helping verbs act as a main verb also. Helping verbs main verbs का भी act करते हैं, वो main verb का भी role play करते हैं when the main verb is not there, right? Clear? Okay, now let's do one exercise to make it more clear, right? That will be your homework as well. Okay. Before moving to the exercise, let me explain you one thing, that uses of is, am, are, has, have, had, was, were. Where do we use is, am, are, has, have, had, was, were? So is. Children, am first. Am. Am is always used with I. Whenever the subject is I, we always use am. Like I am singing a song. I am playing a cricket. I am choosing a match. I am choosing a book. Right? I am going outside. I am a good boy. Right? So, the am is always come with I. Next is. Right? Is. Is always come with if the subject is he, she, it. Right? Everybody, anybody, or any singular noun. Clear? When the subject is he, she, it, or anybody, everybody, somebody, or singular noun. When the subject is singular, right? When the subject is singular, when we talk about one subject, one person, one thing, one animal, then we use is. Clear? Next is are. Are comes with the, when the subject is we, they, you, and or plural noun. Clear? When the subject is plural, when the subject is we, they, you, or plural noun. For example, okay, I didn't give example of this. Is, right? He is a singer. He is playing chess. She is a dancer. She is cooking food. Right? Okay, it is an animal. It is a dog. Right? It is licking an ice cream. Clear? Okay, everybody is playing. Everybody is enjoying. Anybody is here. Anybody is here. Right? Okay, any singular noun. Right? Mohan is a good boy. Right? Mother is preparing tea. Father is going to office. Nana is dancing. Clear? So we are talking about one subject. Now we come to the are. We, they, you, or plural noun. So when we talk about more than one person, we use are. Clear? When we talk about more than one person, we use are. Remember this. Okay. We are going for a party. We are going for a movie. They are arranging the tables. You are watching a TV. Right? You are arranging the book set. You are filling the water bottles. Plural noun. Children are playing cricket outside. Students are learning. Students are writing a letter. Okay? And plural nouns you can see. People are running here and there. Clear? And children, is, am, are the past form of verb. These present form, sorry. These are the present form of be verb. Clear? ये be verb की present form. जब हम present की बात करते हैं, when we talk about the present, then we use is, am, are. Clear? Now we talk about was, were. When we talk about the past time. Clear? When we talk about the past time, we use was, were. Simple. Was is used with singular. Same. Singular subject. And were is used with plural subject. Plural subject. Example. Children with I also. Now here in present with I we use am, but in past we use was only. Clear? And you can say I, he, she, it, any plural noun, right? Singular noun here, we, you, they. Okay, now I was reading a book. Clear? Okay, he was looking at the picture. Okay, she was choosing a color, right? She was writing a letter. Now we talk about the noun. These we have used with a pronoun. Okay, it was chasing me, right? Okay, doctor was treating me, right? Now were. Were is used with the plural subject. Now plural we, right? We were dancing. We were selecting the books. You were calling me. You were advising me. You were setting the tables, right? They. Okay. They were looking at the board. They were planting the trees. They were watering the trees. They were watering the plants. Clear? Okay, they were rubbing the wood. Next, children were reading a lesson. Children were writing a letter. Okay, apart from children, doctors were treating the corona patients, right? So when we talk about the past time, जब हम past time की बात करते हैं तो हम क्या use करते हैं? Was, were. Now we come to the has, have, had. Children, has same with singular. Clear? Singular, have, plural plus I. Children, I के साथ भी हमारा क्या लगता है? Plural. Sorry, have. Clear? I के साथ भी हमारा have लगता है. And when we talk about past time, then we use had. And had with all subjects. Had किसके साथ? सारे subjects के साथ. Either the subject is singular, plural, any. Right? Then we use had. But remember, had is always used with the past. Past tense की बात करते हैं, जब हम past time की बात करते हैं, then we use had. And these has, have is the present. I hope this is clear to you. Now come to the exercise. Let's do an exercise. Right? Choose the correct options and fill in the blanks. So here in the following sentences, helping verbs are given to you. And we have to fill the exercise, fill the blanks accordingly. Right? Okay. And children, most important thing is that is your homework that we will do in classwork notebook. Okay, come to the sentence. An elephant dashed a small tail. So here what will come? First of all, these are has, have are given to you, right? Children, first tell me, these has, have are what? Are these helping verbs or main verb? Right? These are main verb, right? Because here no main verb is given to you. It is showing the possession, right? Okay, now an elephant. So here the subject is what? One. We are talking about one elephant. So I have explained you, when we talk about the one subject, we use has. Clear? Has. Right? So an elephant has a small tail. So class, here it is showing the possession कि elephant के पास क्या है? क्या belong करते हैं? Small tail. उसके पास क्या है? A small tail. So has means possession. Clear? Next. Children dash watching television. What will come? Is MR. What will come? R. Why? Because children, plural. Subject is plural. Children, what is children? Children is plural subject, right? Again, now it is helping verb. It is what? Helping verb. Why? And it is a main verb. This is helping verb, right? And this is main verb. Clear? This watching means TV dekhna, right? So it is a main verb. Main verb. Clear? Okay, next. We are not going to write this in your notebook. So it is just for explaining you. Clear? No need to underline even. So children are watching television. Now, we dash attending an important meeting. Was, were. What will come? Was, were. We dash attending an important meeting. Yes. Was आएगा कि were आएगा? बताइए. Were. Why were? Because subject is plural. We means हम, बहुत सारे. So क्या आएगा? We were attending an important meeting. Clear? Children, here again it is helping verb. यहाँ पर verb कैसे use हुआ? Helping verb. और ये क्या? Attending. Attending is already main verb कि वो attend कर रहा है. So were is helping verb. Clear? So we were attending an important meeting. Next, my father dash lot of work every day. Do, does, did. Children, now I have to explain you once again, children. Do means plural, does means singular and did is the past form. Do and does present form है और did past है. So now we see this subject. Subject क्या है हमारा? My mother. My mother is one. Whenever we talk about the one subject, हम verbs के साथ s और es लगाते हैं. I think you have done this in your previous class even, कि जब हमारा subject singular होता है, we use s और es with the verb. तो यहाँ पर हमारा subject क्या है? Singular. तो हम यहाँ पर क्या लगाएंगे? s और es form of verb. हम कौन सी form of verb लगाएंगे? s और es वाली. तो यहाँ पर does की क्या है? s और es. तो my mother does. Clear? Clear? Okay class. So what you have to do, this is your homework. This homework will not be given to you in your PDF. आपको PDF में नहीं दिया जाएगा, आपको बोर्ड से ही नोट डाउन करना है. So I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.